Hello mga kapitbahay, good morning. Love Kapitbahay USA. Good morning USA. And ayan po, madaling araw Philippines. Ayan po, all over the world. Mega mag-shout out. How are you guys doing today? Ayan, today is Monday. What time is it? It's almost 10. So my husband and I were going to, where are we going, sweetheart?
IHOP.
IHOP, yay! Yan. I don't know what I'm gonna get from IHOP.
Pancakes.
Pancakes?
Yep.
Okay. Probably pancake, yeah. I'm gonna go pancakes, mga kapitbahay. Ayan, and our weather today is really beautiful, mga kapitbahay. Ayan, gusto niyo ba makita? Ayan, ang ating weather for today is sunny up. Ayan. Mga kapitbahay, kumusta po ba? Ano ba nangyari sa akin kahapon? So kahapon na nangyari sa akin, nagkwento si Kapitbahay USA. When I get home, I open my present. Ayan, my husband have a present for me. Ayan, I will show it to you guys later. And I have a flower. Then he made rollatan for dinner. And that's one of my favorite. That's my favorite. All the food that he made for me is rollatan. It's a German.
Like my chili.
Huh?
I thought you liked my chili.
Yeah, I know. That's I know. Rollatan is my favorite. To be honest, remember I always requested that.
Okay.
Then he made some. No, and then after I ate, maybe I watched some movies, and then I took a nap for about how many hours? About 2 hours.
Yeah, about 2 hours.
Then when I woke up, my husband made me a dessert with a cinnamon taco shell and with the ice cream and berries, fruits and pineapple. Pineapple, what is that, sweetheart?
Like a sauce.
Like a pineapple sauce. Then whipped cream on top. Oh my God, mga kapitbahay. Sobrang sarap pero sobrang matamis. So I didn't even finish. Then after that, yep.
And I
And
did all the dishes.
yes, and my husband, he did all the dishes. So I am so spoiled.
Very
Really?
spoiled brat.
Very spoiled brat. Every day or just only yesterday?
Every day.
Mga kapitbahay, I'm very spoiled brat. See, mga kapitbahay, I am so glad that I have a man that who spoiled me every single day. Ayan pa. Mga kapitbahay, then I took a bath and I fall asleep. Ayan pa. Mga kapitbahay, thank you for watching. Love Kapitbahay USA. I just give you update. Ayan pa. From Kapitbahay USA, I love you all.